Hey guys, I'm in Guatape. Super cute, really cute town. After arriving in this beautiful, colorful town, just walk around the little narrow streets and alleys and be amazed by all these beautiful sculptures and images on the walls. Found a new friend. Most travelers and tourists come to Guatapé to see the Piedra del Penol, or actually to climb it. To get there, it's best to take a tuk-tuk, which costs you about 15,000 pesos. You can easily ask other travelers in your hostel to go with you to climb this amazing rock. You need to climb up 740 steps to get up and see this picturesque view from up there on one of the biggest water reservoirs in Colombia. Totally worth it. Climbing the rock of El Penol. Super exhausting, but it's worth. Look at the view already. Super nice. In total, you will climb up 220 meters, which are about 720 feet. And when you're up there, believe me, you will have an amazing view of one of the most picturesque places in Colombia. So get up there, it's worth it. Look at this. And this was when it was raining. So imagine when the sun is shining into these really nice canals there, which are all fake, not natural, by the way. It's a water reservoir. But the rock is natural, and they say it's over 65 million years old. It used to be a sacred place for the indigenous people who used to live there. And in 1954, a Spanish dude climbed in 5 days the rock and could later purchase the rock and the land around it from the farmers there because they couldn't use it for farming. So we're going down now. Today, unfortunately, it's not the nicest weather, but at least it's dry after some heavy rain in the morning. And yeah, so it's quite slippery. And you need to watch where you're going and not recording videos while going down, because that's a bit stupid, but yeah, it's all for this video. Try to be there at 8 AM so you will be there before everyone else who comes by bus from Medellin. And of course, when we leave, the sun is shining. After coming down from the rock, we decide to get a tuk-tuk back to Guatapé to have breakfast. We're in the tuk-tuk! The ride was quite bumpy, so be prepared. And then I did something which I've never done before. Paragliding. It was just amazing to be up in the air in this valley behind me. I was really excited, a bit nervous, and first I watched 2 other guys getting into the air. This guy is doing it quite wrong, so when you do it, you need to sit when you get out in the air. So this guy is doing it right. This is how you should do it. So yeah, then there was my moment. The first start was not good, so this was the second one, and then everything went well. Just look at it. It was without a doubt one of the coolest things I've ever done traveling and in my life. So if you have the chance, go for it, do it. It's the feeling up in the air is just amazing, something I've never felt before, and yeah, just do it.
Por aquí.
believe me or not, I did all of those things in one day. So you can do all of this in 24 hours, it's possible. So after paragliding, I went on a boat ride, which was organized by my hostel. And on this boat ride, we learned a lot about Pablo Escobar's stories and how people tried to profit from the bombing and from the fact that he was there. So it was quite fun, quite interesting, and we also took a little break on one of these partying island boats there. This water reservoir, is a partying place and a vacation place for Colombians. Living the good life. Here you see the cross of a church, which is actually down there because this area needed to be flooded when they built it. Then I got back into town, it was evening, I got myself a nice vegan portion of fries, which was super big, and then this was it. This was my 24 hours in Guatape. And here I have some recommendations for you where you can stay when in Guatape. I thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much. Bye.